Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is lesson number 3 in the new play series Bootstrap 3. Okay, today we are going to cover Bootstrap forms. Of course, as you know, forms are really important. There are a couple of classes that you should know when styling forms. So let me create a new container. And let me create a form. Action is and form. The raw form is only for accessibility. Don't worry about that too much. So next we have to create a div with the class of form group. This is really important, this class. Then we can create a label for input 1, let's say email, and of course a input type text, email, and the ID is input email, and we have to add the class of form control to this. Okay, we can add a placeholder as well. Placeholder, sorry, is email. Okay, as you can see, here's the label we created and here's the input. Again, don't consider the blue border here, that comes from the bracket software. And so let's create another element. Let me copy this, paste, and this is for the password. Again, password, password, okay. First name, change the name of the label to password. Okay, so as you can see, it's been styled by Bootstrap. So this is a form group. Important to note that this class is really important, and of course in the input label input you have to add the class of form control. When you add those two classes, a nice form is created. Okay, next create a submit button as well. With the class of btn and btn default, not default, success maybe. And the value is submit. Type, sorry, value is send or login. Okay, now what else can we do? Okay, we can add a glyph icon to the end of the input field. So to do this, we have to couple of things. Before adding a glyph icon to the end, we can add another hint here below the password. For example, you can say the maximum, the minimum, the password length has to be minimum 8 characters. So that's a hint that we can put under this input field. To do that, we have to add a help block. After the input field, let's add a p tag with the class of help block, the password has to be minimum 8 characters long. Save and check it out. As you can see, let me refresh this. There's a nice text below saying it's been shaded. Hold on for a sec. Sorry about that again. Okay, next let's add a glyph icon to the end of the input field. To do this, go to the form, and you have to add a class to the form group saying has feedback. And after that, let's create a span, the class of glyph icon, let's give it a remove sign, and next class is form control feedback. Okay, close the span, save. As you can see, the close icon. Let's refresh this. Okay, there you go. And again, you can add another icon to this input field as well, and let's copy this and paste it and give it a OK sign, glyph icon OK. There you go. So as you can see, you can easily add glyph icons to input fields as well. So next I'm going to cover inline forms. So this is a normal horizontal form. Let's cover inline forms. Let's create another div with the class of container. Again a div, again now let's open a form tag again with role equals form as well, and we have to add a special class here, form inline. That's it actually. Next, let's copy this. Okay, let's copy this and paste it, and copy this as well, and the submit button. Okay, let's check it out. Oopsie doopsie. Let's remove the password hint and give it some spacing at the end so you can see it properly, and from the top as well. Okay, here's the inline form. Okay, we don't want the labels actually because it's an inline form and normally inline forms don't have labels. Or I can undo this and add the class SR only. That means screen read only. You won't get to see it. Only the screen reader sees it. Okay, pretty. Next, what we can do is, okay, we can add a div checkbox as well. Div class of checkbox, and input type checkbox. and we can say the class is to be form group. Sorry, not form group, actually form control, and value span remember me. Okay, pretty easy, right? Okay, that's inline forms. You can remove these icons if you want. So that covers it for this lesson. Okay, stay tuned for the next lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have fun. Take care. Bye.